What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about the 5 best full sleeve blue denim shirts. Yes, you heard it right. Blue denim shirt is a staple in your wardrobe. In case if you don't have one, this is the right time to buy, as the starting price point for one of the best denim shirt in this video is at 450 rupees. Let us get started from higher price point to lower price points. It is a Pepe Jeans full sleeve dark blue denim shirt that I got it in a size of medium. This is priced at 3,300 rupees. I think after discount it costed me around 1,900 rupees. Even though it's a full sleeve denim shirt, the construction of the shirt and how well it is built. When it comes to the composition, yes, it is made of cotton, but the material is little bit thicker than the other denim shirts you are gonna see in this video. And also it gives the vibe of the jackets with the buttons as well. The buttons, it's not a standard shirt buttons. You do get a smaller version of the buttons generally you find on jackets. So basically you can use this as a shirt jacket or a denim shirt jacket rather than as a shirt, I feel. And also the double chest pockets adds to the vibe. And what exactly is the statement for this shirt? It would be the Pepe Jeans printing on both sides of the sleeves. And that too, they are in the white color, it's a neutral color. That makes it really unique because it's a statement option on one side but not too bold on the other side. It's a dark wash and it have a very slight fade to it, and from one angle you can see a slight tint of green to it. I do not have any disqualifiers for this one, rather than being a little bit on the heavier side when it comes to the overall weight. Moving on to the denim shirt number 2, and the one which I am wearing from start of this video. It's a American Eagle full sleeve blue color denim shirt that I got it in a size of medium. It is priced close to 2,500, I think so, but I got this at a price point of 1,200 rupees. I think there was some 60 to 50% off going on. That makes this price point close to 1,000 rupees. So what exactly I liked? Of course, the premiumness of this material. In case if I have to pick one denim shirt among these options above 1,000 rupees, it has to be the one, because even though it's made of cotton, it have a slight percentage of elastane to it, and on top of that the material feels so smooth. They have mentioned it as a smooth cotton, and that's true. The material feels super smooth, and because of the elastane composition, it is stretchy as well. And if you want to wear this as a semi-casual purpose, if you want to wear denim shirt as a semi-casual purpose, this has to be the one, because it can be as classic as it gets. In general, it looks like a normal blue color shirt, but it have the vibe of the denim shirt. If you have the budget close to 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, you can go with this option from American Eagle. It's a button-down collar full sleeve dark blue denim shirt from a brand called Aeropostale. This is priced at 2,200 rupees. I got this for a price point of close to 750 to 800 rupees. Even though I got this shirt under 800 rupees, this is my least favorite option. I will tell you why. Before that, let me quickly tell you what exactly I liked in this shirt. Of course, the button-down collar, it immediately increases the versatility. In case if you want to use a denim shirt for semi-casual purpose, this button-down collar can certainly help. If you don't want to, you can just unbutton it. It's completely up to you, but you do have the option. And number 2, the orange stitchings going on across, it gives that raw denim vibe. And number 3, the double chest pockets, you do get that casual vibe, but being subtle with the button down collar and overall appearance of the denim shirt. And the cotton feels premium as well as smooth. And what exactly I didn't like in this shirt, the major disqualifier for me, it would be the overall length. It's too lengthy for my height of 5 foot 9 inches, and on top of that, the fit is not good. All the denim shirts I picked for this video are the slim fit options. Even though the fit is slim, the fit is uneven. They do have extra room at the waist area, and because of the overall length, it doesn't look appropriate. It looks odd. I went true to size with this one. It's the medium size. I didn't expect this kind of fit from as reputed as a brand such as Aeropostale. Let us quickly move to the shirt number 4, and it is one of my favorite brands for denim shirts. It's Jack & Jones. I got this full sleeve printed shirt from Jack & Jones at a price point of close to 600 rupees. That's a crazy price point. I got this during the Amazon's recent sale. And what exactly I liked in this shirt? Of course, it's the normal dark blue, just like the other shirts which you are going to see in this video. And also when it comes to the fit of the shirt, it's a slim fit shirt. But the prints here at the chest area with the checkered prints like a chessboard, and here even it's mentioned as checkmate. So the white and blue color, they don't have the standard buttons, they have this lock-in buttons, which I really like. And I love the prints and the price points and the quality Jack & Jones offer, and also the fit. Although Jack & Jones shirt tend to be a little bit on the lengthier side, just like the previous option, but overall the fit makes up for it. Moving on to the last denim shirt, but not the least. In fact, it is the best at this price point of close to 450 rupees. You can never get this quality denim shirt at this price points, and it is a full sleeve dark blue denim shirt from a brand called Incast. Even though you can immediately notice the texture for this shirt, it's a little bit on the rougher side. Not to worry that after a few washes it's going to be normal. So what exactly I liked in this shirt? Number one, the buttons. These are not the standard buttons just like the previous shirt. These are the lock-in buttons and the buttons are in the white color. Even though for few of you guys you might feel this as a disqualifier, it disturbs the overall clean look, but I am fine with it. In fact, I like them. And number two, the double chest pockets like the previous option. And the best part for this shirt, it would be the fit. It fit impeccable. Compared to all the other options, it fits really well. Even though the minor disqualifier of tiny bit in terms of the overall length stays for this one. Maybe I'm too short for these shirts. I don't know. I already have a zipper shirt jacket from Incast which I picked for one of my Build Your Wardrobe series. It held up really well. So these are durable as well. In case if you have a budget under 500 rupees, this is one of the best options to go on Amazon. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video informative on the 5 best full sleeve denim shirts from different brands. If it did so, don't forget to click the like down below, and also it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you next time.